Hey, Nick here from Digital Superpowers, my new book. And today I'm going to show how to use Linux to change your voice live, which is super fun. And by super fun, I mean
Super fun. Super fun.
super fun. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
Anyway, it's pretty fun. So let's back up a little bit to more of the setup. So first thing you have to do is, I'm on Ubuntu, by the way, 18.10, but this should work on a lot of things. So you need to install QJack control and then run it, which will bring this guy up. Kind of, it'll look like that. But you'll have to install, so check the blog on how to get the starting point. And then go into setup before clicking start, and you want to adjust these guys until this latency goes down. So you kind of want to have a small number of frames per period and periods per buffer that you can have without getting buffer underruns, which you see I have like 22 here. That's like okay for this, but if you get more than that, then increase these until your computer can handle it. Then in advanced, I just chose my microphone here as the input and also the output of the jack system. And then when you press start, this guy will pop up. If it doesn't, you just press this thing. And now you have some connections. They won't all be connected when you first start, but anyway. So then start JackRack, which is another program you have to have. And when you start JackRack, you'll see it pop up here, and then you can connect. You click on, you say system to JackRack, and you press connect, and this line will show up. And then you say, okay, we're going to pipe audio from my microphone into the JackRack, and then from JackRack into the system, which is going to go back to the speakers. Or if you have Pulse Audio, you can actually get stuff to other programs like whatever, things that are recording or playing things. But all you really need is the rack and the system connections. Then you go into the rack and you can start adding various plugins. And if you've these are all your different plugins that you can install. And so, like, let's go and get one that I had here, the Tap Pitch Shifter. So that adds this, and then of course you just turn it on, and now you can shift the tone.
So you can drag it up, and what do you know? It's really funny. You have to like laugh, and then you laugh more.
Because it's really loud or high pitch.
Yeah. Okay, and then you can disable it, and then you can just add combinations of things. So what was another one? There was like where was that Canyon thing? There's all sorts of ones. There was something called the Canyon Reflector that was kind of funny. Oh, Canyon Delay. This is like one. Of course, you have to turn some stuff up first before it works. Hello. There we go. I'm in a canyon. Let's increase the delay. Make it fade off faster. Hello. 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 I am in a canyon. A canyon. Anyway, you get the idea. And anyway, there's just like hundreds of these things, and they're all sorts of fun. I also like this, where'd it go? Oh no. The flanger thing. So it's just fun to kind of click through these. There's some more delays. Here we go. Flanger is a fun one. Hello. So this just, no, that's not what I wanted. Oh, vibrato is what I had. Ah, yes. Vibrato. Where'd it go? Aha! Some of them are real-time capable and others aren't. Let me get rid of this one. So here's this vibrato that I demoed earlier, which just, you set a frequency and depth, and then you can. Anyway. Super fun to explore. You can actually hook this up to a phone if you have the right little connections. You can plug the output of your computer into your phone headset and have it go both ways. So if you want to bring back prank calling, it's sort of fun. Of course, they know who you are, but you know, and only use it for
For good.
No, seriously. Just use it for good. Yeah.
It's just kind of another example of how cool some of the free software out in the Linux world is. This stuff is powerful, it's cool, it's capable, it does all sorts of great stuff. I think this is probably mostly for like musicians. That's maybe a more reasonable use case for it. You can do like real-time effects on your guitar or whatever. This thing tries to take voice out of a song. Anyway, it's really cool. Linux is amazing, and it's just a starting point into like the Linux audio world. So I hope that's fun, and have a nice day.